Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
52. George was a newspaper reporter who worked for a small local newspaper in a country town. Nothing much ever happened there. One day George's boss sent for him. "George," he said, "James Bright is making a speech at the town hall tonight. I want you to go and report on it for us." "James Bright?" said George. "He's a terrible old fool. He never says anything worth reporting." "Bright is our best-known local politician," said the boss. "We'll have to print a report on that speech." So George went to the meeting and Bright spoke for 2 hours without stopping. When George got back to the office at last, the boss was waiting for him. "Well, George," he said. "What did the old man say?" "Absolutely nothing," said George. The boss wasn't surprised. "All right, George," he said. "You'd better not write more than 2.5 columns on it. Find out the best title for the story."
If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.